Good morning, YouTube. So, a few updates for you guys. I've finally put an analog FPV system on the Parrot Disco. So, this is just fairly arbitrarily mounted blend arm tape for the camera, Velcro for the VTX. This is a Maytag VTX 800 milliwatts, as you can see. And the Foxy or Cat Starlight camera with the big lens on it, actually. From what I've read, the daytime performance on this is pretty good, as well as the low light performance. So, as you can see, I've soldered that to there, and we take the wire in and plug it into the plus and minus of the receiver port on the Parrot chuck. You see I've got my 5200 graphene in there. We flew this at the weekend. It's flying probably the best it ever has, with the new Metal Gear servos in it, and also a small modification that I've done to prevent further deflection on the flaps is this carbon strip that I've glued to the edge of the flaps, as well as the usual blend arm tape above the flaps. Now, there's still a bit of deflection, but it's certainly a lot less than it was before. What has this meant? A little bit sharper turns, a little bit better climbing. We certainly had the lowest flights that we've had on Saturday, and yeah, we're feeling good about the disco on Saturday. It was working really well. Hence the analog FPV system, so that we can try it out with some true FPV. Now, I'm quite a lot of money into this FPV hobby now, and thus far the disco is the only thing I've ever flown. None of my darts will fly or have flown yet. This one I've tested once, wouldn't fly. That was with the chuck in it, so it's now been all upgraded to iNav and the original motor rather than the Parrot motor, so this feels like it's ready to fly now. This one as well is pretty much ready. So this is a fairly traditional Dart 250G build. I've now modded the VTX into the lid there. As you can see, flight controllers in the normal place, run cam at the front, and standard sunny sky with the spacer mod at the back. I can't really see that very well, but there we go. Just some normal M2 brass standoffs. So those three are all ready to, or nearly ready to fly. Hopefully remade in these two, and I've now got the props on the right way around, which helps. But yesterday I had a fire in this one. This is my experimental 4S solution. And as you can see, the standard Zohd ESC is not like 4S much. Despite the ampage reading, being under 30 amps, nope. This totally blew up on me yesterday, so that was a big panic. Totally fried the ESC, and today I have a 55 amp iFlight ESC coming for this, so hopefully that will go together nicely. I'm going to be using the T-Motor F1507 in there, and that's my Maytag and my receiver and all the usual bits and bobs. The ESC just left a wire on there when it arrives today, and then this is ready for use with this battery, which is what is it? 2.2 4S, if I remember correctly. It's much heavier than you would normally put in a Zohd Dart, but I'm hoping with the 4S and the bigger 1507 motor on the standard prop that we're going to see some crazy amounts of push there, and that this one is not going to go on fire and might fly. Fingers crossed. What else is going on? So, exciting times. Just a few moments ago my first drone has arrived, or my first quadcopter. has arrived, as you can see. That's still sealed up, so I'm going to do a separate short video on unboxing that one in a minute. So cheers guys, good to give you an update on FPV stuff. Hopefully we've got some disco and dart fans out there enjoying the basic content that I'm providing. Thank you guys, cheers, bye bye.